How to edit gym photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open the gym photo you want to edit from here. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the edit icon as shown. You can edit the photo using all the options available over here. For example, tap on the auto icon to apply the effect. Then, swipe left and select the exposure icon as shown. You can now drag the slider and adjust the exposure according to your preference. You can also adjust the brilliance, highlights, shadows, contrast, brightness and more from here. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily edit gym photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.